guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, I've been a wee bit AWOL, but hopefully I remember how to do this. Today I'm going to show you how to do a very quick, very simple, two sort of variations of an up style and no heat. So obviously going to start off with brushing my hair as usual. My hair was washed yesterday morning and put up in a loose plait. So give it a good wee brush. I'm going to part my hair off centre here. So got my hair parted. I'm going to bring this back sort of from just above, like in front of my crown, and I'm going to give that a bit of a back comb. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm just going to flatten a little bit with my hands, and I'm going to scoop my hair here as if I was going to put it in a ponytail. I'm going to get our wee elastics. They are the Primark one, and I'm just going to pop that, so not as low as the nape of the neck, but just up a wee bit. Whenever I wear my hair up, I like it all up out of the way, so I don't want any down. The first stage done. Then I'm going to get my wee DHD clips. These are brilliant for just sliding in. I'm going to separate the hair roughly in half. So I'm going to clip this one up out of the way for now. And then I'm going to grab this. I'm going to give it a little bit of spritz with the mess maker. So I'm going to take that section there, and I'm going to take it in two bits, and I'm going to twist them away from each other. So twist, twist, twist. Then I'm going to sort of twist them around each other. So very easy, just over and under. Very, very easy. This is probably why I love this sort of style. Then we are going to grab our bobbles again, and we're just going to secure that at the bottom. Then we will take that bit down. Same again, give it a wee spritz with your mess maker. And we will twist, twist, twist. Because of my layers, I'm going to give this an extra few twists because you can kind of sort of see them coming out already. And then over and under. Then we are going to grab our bobble again and secure that. So that is our two secured. So now that we have our two twists, you're going to get our bobby pins, and I'm going to clip one starting off. I'm going to clip it up here to secure it to the rest of the hair. So I kind of like, whenever I'm doing something like that, I don't, obviously I want my clips hidden, so I kind of like do a wee weave in through the hair with the clip. So we have that one up, and we're going to bring this one sort of down and in. Twist that round and tuck the tail in here. So see it again, a wee bit of a weave. And this one here, we're going to bring down and tuck the tail in as well. So I don't actually mind the shape, I'm just going to pin this. I can see this from the side. Bring it in, like closer to my head. And pull. So yeah, that is our first very, very easy little up style. So first look done, on to our second look. We're starting off with the same low ponytail that we had the last time, and I'm going to split it in two again. I'm going to clip this up out of the way. I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to do a very loose plait. So very simple plaiting technique. And my wee elasticated bobble at the end. Take this side down. And we are plaiting again. So we have our two plaits. I'm going to pull them out a wee bit, make them a wee bit fatter. All about the fat plaits. I am just going to spritz them with a wee bit of hairspray. And then we get our little curvy grips. So I'm going to start by literally this bottom one. I'm just going to bring it up and pin. And then we're going to tuck that tail in. We're going to pin it in. We're going to take this one and we're going this way. So as if we're tucking the tail in and just sort of holding the shape. And then we're going to pin in all our wee loose bits. This wee bit here is not in mate, so it's going to go. Just pin it in. And then we have another very simple way to mix up an up style without any heat and in a very short space of time. Thanks for watching, guys. Two very simple little styles. Don't forget, if you like my little video, to subscribe to my channel and give me a wee thumbs up. I'm going to leave all my social media information down below, and you can give me a little follow on Instagram or Facebook or whatever. Bye!